See, today we have gathered here, and not only today, we have been in field. The entire Congress party is on road since 22nd of April, since the incident had happened. The entire nation is mourning. We are really with the family who have lost their lives, who have lost their near and dear ones, and we condemn this coward attack of the terrorists. It is a clear message that who has been sponsoring those terrorists, where are these terrorists from, and when the border is so far from India, how can the terrorists come so easily and they can disappear within a few minutes? So it is very clear that the local people, the government is involved. So as we all know, Jammu and Kashmir is an UT. UT comes under Home Minister directly. So Home Minister has failed to give security. He has failed to give security to those people, to tourists who have nothing to do with this terrorist attack. They were killed brutally. They were killed by their names, by their communities, which is truly condemnable from Congress party. And we together, we are gathering here that the government has to take actions against this. We will not accept such coward act against people, innocent people, whatever is happening. And it's not about only Kashmir. What is happening in last 18 months in Manipur, that is also cannot be ignored. So the BJP government, wherever they are, they have been doing the same. Let it be Manipur, let it be Pahalgam, let it be anywhere in India. You see that the terror attacks have been raising day by day. There is no security for people, let it be general people, let it be children, let it be women. Everything, the crime rates are increasing, unemployment is increasing, innocent people are dying, and people who are trying to raise their voice they have been FIR'd or they have been silent through other means. So we condemn such act, and Congress party will always stand against such coward act unitedly across the nation. Today we are here protesting against the Home Minister and the PM who is responsible for such things. Tomorrow the entire nation will do a candle march together across the nation in solidarity of these people who have lost their lives. My name is Sarifa Rahman. I am the All India Youth Congress General Secretary and in charge of Manipur.